In this video, we're going to be checking out this ring light kit from Neewer. First, we'll go over everything that comes included. Then after that, I'll show you how to use the product. So let's get started. So with this product, you do get one large bag that you are able to put everything in so that you can easily transport it if you want to. The bag has handles on it and also a zipper, so everything is nice and safe and secure. The actual ring light itself is its own unit here, and you have two different types of diffusers to put onto the product. Right now, I have the white diffuser on the product. Also included is an orange diffuser in case you want a different tone. And included as well is a remote that you can pair up with either your smartphone or a camera. We also have this adjustable piece right here that you can connect to the unit itself in case you want to change the actual angle of the ring light. This is optional to use, you don't have to use it. Also included is the wall adapter. Also included with this kit is the actual base. So the base is adjustable so that you're able to get the ring light itself to be at the actual height that you want it to be at. Now there is an adjustable head included too, which does have a tripod mount on it. And then also included as part of this kit is a cell phone mount. Now this cell phone mount will fit smaller to mid-sized smartphones, but if you do want to use a larger phone or an iPad, then you are going to need a larger adapter. Now the ring light itself features an 18-inch diameter, so it definitely is on the larger side, but that also means that it's going to be giving you a lot of extra light. Now on the back of the unit, there's just one dial here, and you can use that dial to turn on the light itself once it's plugged into the wall, but also you can adjust the brightness. So actually right now, it's at a very low level of brightness, but from here, I can turn up the brightness quite a bit, very dramatic here. This light is definitely on the bright side when turned up to 100%. So here's how I look with the brightness of the light pointed at me at 100%. And again, things are much brighter here, clearly. But this is the Neewer 18-inch diameter ring light kit.